Hello, I'm Luke Bichard, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reduction. I forgive myself for believing in separation. Okay, let's look at the reduction on this. It all starts with separation. Separation causes us to judge. Separation causes us to attack. Separation causes us to be sick. Separation causes us to suffer and be in misery. Separation can be undone in the holy instant by joining with God and choosing anew. It's pretty simple. It's very basic that basically we are separated from God in our perception. We are with God, but we believe we're separated from God. We believe we're down here in the battleground and that, having to deal with everything that this conflict of this earth gives us, and we believe that this is where we are. Well, this is the dream, and our real world is being with God. Our real reality is being with God. And it's really about understanding that you're separated, because if you don't see that you're separated, how are you going to be able to correct it? Because there's this tendency to think that this is your lot in life. This is the way life should be if you're separated, and it's not true. How do you stop being separated from God? Well, joining, meditate, prayer, being in nature and just being, but deciding to actually devote some of your day and give your day to God. How much time are you spending on TV or on social media versus how much time you're spending with God? And if you're not spending time with God, well, then no wonder you're separated, and no wonder you're not having a very good experience. So it's really that simple. It's about deciding that you don't want to be separated and that you want to commune and be connected to God. Now this image, not a lot to say. This is a retaining wall that is on a path I walk. Well, I haven't been walking very long because they're actually fixing it, because part of the side of the hill, the bank is sliding, and into the river, so they're having to repair it. But this is one of my favorite places to be, and when I'm walking on this path, and it's where I go and to have my time with God. And this wall is that I'm showing in this image is a form of separation, right? It causes that distance between nature and man. So that's why I thought or nature and our connection to God, and that's why I thought it was very appropriate for this declaration. I'm Luke Bichard. Thanks so much for watching this video. I just want to remind you that forgiveness is the only way that we can actually move forward and have peace, and it is our lack of forgiveness that causes separation. So I really encourage you to come into the here and now, to meditate, and to ask to give your separation over to Holy Spirit, and ask for them to take it from you, and to feel more connected to God, because it's a choice to be not separate, or to not be connected to God and to feel separated.